Bingo Cash payment details that refuse to save are usually caused by an incomplete form, an unsupported payment method, an app connection problem, or information that doesn't match the account. By the end, you'll know which settings to check before removing or replacing your payment method. First, reopen Bingo Cash and enter the payment information again from the beginning. Check every required field before tapping Save. A missing field, incorrect format, or verification prompt can prevent the payment method from being stored. Next, check that the payment account information matches the details associated with your Bingo Cash account. If the app asks you to verify ownership or identity, complete that process before trying to save the payment method again. If the Save button works but the payment method disappears after leaving the screen, completely close Bingo Cash and reopen it. Then check the payment section again. This tells you whether the information was actually saved or only displayed temporarily during the current app session. Now test the app's connection. Open another app that requires an internet connection and confirm it works normally. If you're using Wi-Fi, temporarily test Bingo Cash over mobile data. If you're already using mobile data, try a reliable Wi-Fi connection. If Bingo Cash still refuses to save the payment method, temporarily disable a VPN, private DN, private Docker, or network filtering service. These settings can interfere with secure connections between an app and its online services. Next, update Bingo Cash. On Android, open Google Play, search for Bingo Cash, and install an available update. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account icon, and check for available updates. An outdated app can have problems with account or payment screens. Android users can also clear Bingo Cash's temporary cache. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Bingo Cash, open Storage, and select Clear Cache if that option is available. Avoid Clear Storage unless you know your account can be restored after the reset. On iPhone, there isn't a standard Clear Cache option for individual apps. Restart the iPhone and test the payment screen again. If the payment method still will not save, check whether Bingo Cash is asking for additional verification or whether the payment option is actually supported in your region. Don't repeatedly submit the same information if the app is rejecting it. Reinstalling Bingo Cash should be a later step. Before deleting the app, make sure you can sign back into your account and have access to the required account information. The main fixes are to re-enter the details carefully, complete any verification, test another network, disable connection filtering tools, update Bingo Cash, and clear the Android cache when available. Start by checking the payment form and verification prompts because those can prevent the method from being saved before the app even processes the request. If this fixed your Bingo Cash payment issue, like the video and subscribe for more app fixes.